Joyce, my stuff yesterday get out. What problem? You no respect me. Jonas, what my problem? I don't touch people. I like everybody country, everybody people. What problem? You don't touch me.
That you handed a cigarette to a minor.
No, I'm not discrimination. I go help everybody people. I go help everybody people. How old are you with this one, guys? How old are you with this one, guys? Please, you show me video. What problem me? What problem? Please, Spokane, Washington, stop in drugs, shopping, alcohol shopping. 6 years, men, women, everybody go cars, no problem. What my problem? What my problem? You discrimination me. I go video YouTube. Me don't care. I go video YouTube. Jason. Me don't care. You discrimination me. Please my stuff. Please my stuff. Too much you discrimination me. Too much people, drugs, alcohol, Spokane, Washington. Too much, no respect. Too much narcoman, alcohol, drugs, alcohol, prostitution, gays, lesbian. Too much. Shit. No respect. Discrimination, Spokane, Washington. People. Discrimination. They don't care. No respect, people. No respect. No filtration. Discrimination. I have respect. I know don't touch. I help you. Thank you, Jesus. America help. Jesus help. Jesus help. America help. No people, no respect, no filtration. I love everybody country. Everybody people. What problem? People, Spokane, Washington, no like my country, no like my people, no like me. What problem? Discrimination. My country, no discrimination. My country, everybody like you. What? Капли. Вот капли их машина. Ладно. Looking. Cops. Don't care. Sleeping. Drugs. Alcohol. Shit. No respect. Cops. No respect. Security. No respect. Discrimination. Spokane, Washington. Discrimination. Discrimination. Я иду на автобус. 29-й. Пойду в Юджгеме. Посмотрю этот гребаный шелтер. Посмотрю, где моя сумка. Там и зарядно, там все мое. Вот, видите, 29-й. Иду на автобус. Все. Я не переживаю, не боюсь. Hello. Excuse me. Go. You go, you no go.
Well, he's not going yet. What you do is you just go in there and buy a loaf of bread from him.
What's that?
Go in there and buy a loaf of bread from him.
Oh, yeah. Nothing charge. Видите? Я ничего не делаю дискриминации. Видите, я молчу. Хватит издеваться надо мной. Too much discrimination, people. Security cops, everybody. Too much.